Hello, I'm meteorologist Stephen Harrison, and this weather briefing will cover the upcoming dangerous heat wave, which will impact Southern California this weekend through at least the middle of next week. Here's a loop of the upper level weather pattern over the coming days. The cool weather we've been experiencing will quickly go away as a strong ridge of high pressure builds over the west, bringing very hot weather to the region and squashing the marine layer. Even the coast may not be spared from the excessive heat. Conditions heat up on Saturday and reach dangerous levels starting Sunday. Monday and Tuesday look to be the hottest days. This slide shows the forecast highs on the left and the heat risks on the right for Monday. Inland valleys look to reach into the 100s and possibly above 110 in some spots. A second consecutive day of widespread 100-plus degree heat in the valleys will lead to very high heat risks shown in the pink colors for Tuesday. Very high heat risks mean that the entire population will be at risk of injury or death from the heat if proper precautions are not taken. However, moderate heat risks reach all the way to the coast, which can be deadly for heat-sensitive people. Forecast high and low temperatures for selected locations are depicted in this table. Notice how inland locations such as Ramona, Anaheim, and Lake Elsinore are expected to reach highs in the mid to high 100s, with lows only falling to the low to mid 70s. The long duration of this heat wave and lack of significant relief overnight will result in potentially deadly heat for much of the region. Weather may cool slightly on Wednesday, but it will still be hot to very hot. It is uncertain at this point whether it will be Thursday or Friday of next week when there will be better cooling, so stay tuned. Here are some heat safety tips to be aware of. Know the signs of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Stay hydrated. Avoid spending time outdoors if possible, and instead spend time in an air-conditioned building. And as always, never leave your children or pet in a parked car, not even for a minute. That's it for today's briefing. Stay up to date on the latest forecasts, watches, and warnings by going to these links and following our social media pages. Thanks for watching.